Discover a truly one-of-a-kind residence in Fort Collins that stands as a testament to the modern movement's architectural style, originally constructed in 1966. This home, located at 1810 South Taft Hill Road, has a fascinating story that blends history, design, and personal passion. But here's where it gets intriguing. The current owner, Glenn Slanaker, acquired the property in 2009 and embarked on an extensive renovation project that transformed both the interior and exterior, breathing new life into this mid-century gem. Photographs taken on September 23, 2025, showcase the home's striking exterior, highlighting its timeless design and the careful restoration work that respects its original character while incorporating modern updates. Glenn's dedication to preserving the home's architectural integrity is evident in every detail. Inside, the transformation is even more captivating. Glenn reimagined the second-floor living space with a distinct retro Palm Springs vibe, blending custom-designed elements and carefully selected furnishings to create a stylish yet comfortable atmosphere. This approach not only honors the home's era, but also adds a fresh, vibrant personality that makes the space truly unique. One of the standout features is the downstairs sunroom, bathed in natural light and offering a serene spot to relax or entertain guests. The sunroom's design complements the overall aesthetic, bridging indoor and outdoor living seamlessly. Throughout the home, art plays a significant role. Sculptures placed thoughtfully around the space add an artistic flair that enhances the modernist feel and reflects Glenn's personal taste and appreciation for creative expression. The kitchen, another focal point of the renovation, combines functionality with style, featuring updated appliances and design choices that maintain the home's mid-century roots while catering to contemporary needs. Adjacent to the kitchen, the dining area invites gatherings with its warm ambiance and carefully curated decor. Glenn Slanaker's commitment to this home goes beyond mere renovation. It's a labor of love that respects the past while embracing the present. But here's the part most people miss. Such a project raises questions about how we balance preservation with modernization. Should historic homes be kept exactly as they were? Or is it acceptable, even necessary, to adapt them for today's lifestyles? What do you think? Is Glenn's approach a perfect blend of old and new, or does it risk diluting the original architectural intent? Share your thoughts and join the conversation below, because when it comes to historic homes, the debate is just as fascinating as the buildings themselves.